Pen software is Windows-based software. It's included with all Aquos boards. You can load it on all of your computers, and any computer working on the board can use it on the board as well. We have a toolbar here that lets you access your drawing tools, your erasers, capture tools, and everything else. It is a floating toolbar. Just hold your finger or stylus anywhere on the screen. Toolbar comes to you. You can change your pen style from up to a brush, figure pen. You can change the thickness, you can change the color, translucent if you want to use it as a highlighter. And from here we can start drawing or writing. So you can see with our pen on paper experience, you can see how responsive this screen is. It stays with me the same as if I was writing on a solid surface. There's no lag, there's handwriting conversion. Grab the select tool, highlight the area, and you get some options. You can search the web, change the style, the color. I could just convert it to text. Using the shape tool, I can make very pretty looking objects. Just draw a shape and it will correct them for me. So now I have nice pretty triangles, squares, and circles. Simultaneous drawing, up to 20 touch points. I only have 10, but you kind of get the idea. I can switch from multi-touch to pinch zoom. I have a tool here that I added so I can do a quick change, and now I'm in pinch zoom mode instead of multi-touch. I want to go back to multi-touch, and just like that, back to multi-touch. We have an auto detect eraser. Simply place the palm of your hand on the screen and it will see that as an eraser, and you can erase. You can also delete the whole sheet. You can use the select tool to select an area and then use the delete function here to erase an entire section of drawings and images.